Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to talk about this paid watch face. The name is called Minimal and it has some really beautiful customization options which I'll talk about later in this video. So let's go ahead and take a look at its elements really quickly. We have the hour here, minutes here, and seconds dot I should say here, and then we have got our date and battery complications, and otherwise it is very minimal, it's very clean, and that's why I really like this watch face. Now quickly let's take a look at the always on display version of this watch face. There you go. Everything that you've just seen in the proper version is there in the always on display except for this seconds dot that disappears, but there is a catch with always on display. I'll show you that in the video as we progress. If I long press on it and go in customizations, we have color options, so let's go through them very quickly. So there you go, a lot of colors to choose from and I like it. There are a lot of really cool combinations here. So green and red, I really like this one, so we'll go with this. Then we have font, another really cool customization option. Font, I have not seen this option in many watch faces, but I'm glad that it's here. So it will change the font of this hour here, and we have some really cool looking fonts. I'm gonna go with this one. Then we have index, so take a close look because it's really minimal but makes a big difference to how the watch face looks. So we have dotted index, now we have lines, now we have some rounded lines, and now everything disappears. So you choose whatever you like. Then we have hands. So we have solid hands, hollow hands, and then we have minutes option. So now we have an hour here and then we have minutes here as well. I like this one, so I'm going to go with this. And then we have a 24-hour format here as well, so you can turn that on or off if you want. Then we have seconds. So you have this second dot, you can make it disappear if you don't like it. I like it, so I'm going to keep it. Then we have an always on display complication option, so you can have these complications turned on or you can turn them off. And now we'll go back and take a look at how it looks without the complications. So there you go, we have hour and minute and that's it, nothing else. Very clean looking but a little boring. Then we have complication progress bar. So it's the progress bar here, the battery progress bar, so you can turn that off or on. So I'm going to turn it on because with this it adds another layer of accent layer to the watch face and I like it. Or you can remove it if you think it makes the watch face really busy, you can do that as well. And then finally we have complications. You have two complications to choose from, a lot of options that you can go through and customize your own way, and final look is something like this. I really like it. I have not seen many watch faces that give you the option to customize how the font looks or add a progress bar to a complication, which is a very nice touch. And then this moving seconds dot. Really like this one. It's a paid watch face. I'll put the link in the description below. I think it's a couple of bucks. So go ahead and download this one and enjoy this watch face and give me some feedback in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.